Good morning, everyone. Hope your days are doing well. I just got my hair cut. My last video, you can probably see it how long my hair was. So I got it cut pretty short, which is good. This is like the normal haircut I get. I mean, it's a little screwy right now, but once I get home, I will rinse all the hair off and everything else with that. But yeah, haven't been here for a while. It's been what, at least 4 months maybe after Vietnam, so maybe 5 months now. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Anyway, I'm just glad I got my haircut because it's kind of been a while and I'm happy with it. I'll see you guys later. Talk to you guys later. I have to navigate out of here because they're doing a lot of construction. So yeah, construction. So I have to figure out. There's a spot over there. Oh, you probably can't see. Anyway, there's a spot over there. That I can get out of. So it's gonna be a little tricky. But overall, good. Everybody's like tries to go. I'm just like sitting here for maybe about 5 minutes, and I seen people try to pull in here and try to go through, and yeah, there's like a lot of detour going on. So it's yikes. I'll stop my rant, and I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, I'm home now. I just redone my hair. It looks pretty good. I love it. See, it's short enough. My hair still, I kind of put like a little bit of gel on it, but it looks pretty good. This boy, he loved this thing. He missed us. Look at him. I gave him this treat, and look like every time he put it in his mouth, he looked like he smoked a cigar. So we always say, McGee, why you like smoking a cigar? What did we tell you? But the weird thing with him is, he doesn't, he's hiding. He doesn't eat his treat unless me or Becky gonna be home. Because if I just get, where did he go? Wow. Oh, there he goes. If I just give him the treat only, then he would just not eat it until Becky gets home, and then he would eat it once we both are here. No, I guess he doesn't want none of us to miss what he's eating. So yeah, but I guess that's how he is. He just wait until all of us come and then he eats. It's just turned on. Oh, I gotta do some major cleaning today. I got some energy going right there. Not a lot, but supposedly that's what he's supposed to do. But yeah, I got things that shooting out. I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, sorry. Good things going on. There's my bubble. He's in the back hiding, of course, and there's two of my clown. With, you can see his tentacles, but there's a coral bandit. These guys just opened up, and look at that. Sorry, I know it's very blue. It's the light, guys. I could make it lighter, but to make it brighter, but still gonna have the blue. It's just the camera doesn't pick up the blue very well, so the blue is just out there. And it looks good right now. I just have to clean it. Focus. Good. I just have to clean it, do a water change. I don't know if I want to move things around or not, but I think I'm happy with the escaping right now. The two rocks on the side like that, and then like you get like that drop off right in the middle. So I'm talking about like right here, that drop off right in the middle. Just have one here. Yeah, I think that's better than instead of trying to make it like a bridge over it. I was thinking about doing that earlier, but I was like, then that way it doesn't do too well. But yeah, this guy, look at him. His tentacles moving all over the place. I know, it's so hard to see. There you go, it's focused in. Yep, look at him feeding all those tentacles that feeling, and that's what they usually eat with. So they send those out, feeling whatever it is, and then they bring it back, like feeling the food and everything. So it's that like nerve system, and then they bring it back to the mouth. The mouth is right there, right in the middle. That's where the mouth is. And then the butt as well, you know, on the other side. Well, the butt, this guy have a butt on the bottom, but yeah, they're doing good. Focus, focus. You're doing good. Like I said, I'm gonna do a water change today, so no biggie. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi you guys. Hey guys. Out shopping. Yeah. Spending more money than I wanted to. Not for fish stuff. I mean, I'm not spending anything like. Mainly just for fish stuff, because this is the reason why I don't like going to some places, and some places I do. But yeah, because it costs way too dang much. Hold on, guys. But yeah. Ooh, my bad. Sorry for that. But yeah, it just something costs a little too much. I guess the place that I go to buy, you know, corals and stuff, it's a little cheaper. It depends what you're getting, but I'm kind of like, you know, impulse buy when you fish. But what I needed was phytofeast. It's an algae for food, for nutrients for corals or fish or stuff like that, and I will have to use this like in a month, so which I will anyway. And it looks like this is it. Phytofeast, yeah. I used to go to my local fish store. Shout out to Salty Blue, that I go all the time to buy fish or corals there, because I like them a little better, just because they're reasonable price, they're really good with people, and they answer every question that you pretty much want. But yeah, they haven't carrying this product for a while, and I kind of need it because I can grow my cocoa pods if I don't have these, and without these, this is their food source, dude. Fun fact, this is their food source for cocoa pods, because they're really tiny. Like, have you seen SpongeBob? Plankton, it's like those little green guy, the little green guy that, I mean, we all should know SpongeBob, but the little green guy in there is phyto. His is a plankton. That's pretty much what this is, and it feeds the fish and blah 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 blah. You know, food source. But this thing costs so much here, almost 1.5 times more. Because the place I usually get it costs like $10, like $9.95. But this here, oh man, it costs $25. Ugh, I didn't want to spend on it, but it I kind of need it. I've been out for about 2 weeks now, because I went there. They stopped carrying it. Salty Blues kind of stopped carrying it because more like it does expire. So I mean, like after a while, all the algae planting kind of thing kind of die off. So it's, you know, after that it's kind of pointless. But yeah, I mean, it kind of usually lasts for about a month or so, a month and a half, maybe minimum of 2, I would say. But the phytofeast it doesn't last long, so they changing to like a different product at Salty Blue. So and they say it won't be in for another like 2 weeks. So I don't have that time of 2 weeks. So I kind of have to bite the bullet and just kind of get it. But I'll see. Once Salty Blue get their vitals in, it's gonna be a different. It's a different brand that comes with it, and it's probably last much longer, and it's supposed to be much better. So I'll wait and see. And until then, I gotta bite the bullet and try them. And I also got a coral. This is, I was thinking about not getting it, but then I just like, you know what? Why not? Because it's not it's an easy coral to keep and stuff. It's a GSP, but it's not any GSP. This, you don't see this a lot of time. It's a branching GSP, because normally all you get is a carpet GSP, like the one that more of a kind of spread into like the sand bed, or I mean the glass, or kind of like a carpet, more like it. And this one is kind of branched, so you know, Hinterwood branch. It goes straight up, you know, like a branch. So it grows straight up like a bird's nest or any SPS coral that branch out. Pretty much what that is, and I can't wait to try it out. So, and it was $10, you know, impulse buy. But yeah, I mean I want to try it out. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna take this home. I told my wife that I will be in and out as quick as possible, as that way I don't impulse buy anything else, because I'm really good at that, especially at a fish store, because I can be there for like hours apparently. Yeah, not my style, but I just need to get that done, in, out, that spent less. Yeah, I'll see you guys at home. I did got a Grammy too, because I need some new fish in the tank, and it was cheap. I went to Petco. I know. Sometimes you want to support your local fish stores. I do. Petco is, I consider that not a local pet store, because it's like a worldwide chain kind of store. So if you decide, you think that's a local, then I guess they think it that way. But for me, it's not. Local would be like this place, this fish store that's only open. There's only one store in your town, or like Salty Blues. There's only one Salty Blue in your town. I mean, there's maybe like one other small one, but that's my local. I like to support with them, but sometimes your mom and pop stores, kind of, you call it, they are a little bit more expensive. So sometimes you want to save a little bit money. Yeah, compared to like you spending $10, and then you go to the same, to your moms and pops, and buy the same thing for $20. You're saving 50% there. Sometimes saving is what you want to do sometimes. Even though you do want to help your moms and pop stores, but sometimes you just kind of bite the bullet and go the cheaper route. It just, like I said, you want to, but sometimes you just want to go cheaper. So, I'll be heading home now. Then I'm gonna watch my Xfinity race. Always, every Saturday, since the race is back now. It's every Saturday and Sunday. And it will be a night race, so it will be fun. Get my fish stuff going when I get home and everything that. See. Bye, guys. It's Father's Day. Try and watch my race. I can't do it because rain delay, which sucks. Yeah, doing some water change at the moment. There's half of my bucket of water, and it's a little dirty, but I haven't really cleaned it, so yeah. Like I said, I have been fighting with this algae thing, so it's no matter how much I clean it, no matter what I do to it, it's just not gonna happen. But here's my dirty little floor. All the buckets, hey. on a water changing day, you gotta love these buckets, right? The tank yesterday. I don't know. I'm really debating. I like this light, but I don't know if I want to keep it in longer. But if I don't, then I really don't have any other light. The only reason I do not like it is in here. There's a ballast. If that thing stays, okay. So this is a picture of 30 right here. This is the ballast. And this is the one, you know, that kind of power everything, and it's freaking hot. Like it's not hot. I mean, but it's warm enough to like the to kind of like uncomfortable area, kind of warm. I'm just not. I don't know. I just have to see about it. But. I do like the light. I mean, this thing does get hot. Yeah, it's hot. Like you can burn yourself with hot. Like I would say, you know, like when you touch the oven. Yeah. Anyway, it's hot. That's the only problem about it because, you know, it's a fire hazard kind of thing. So I'm not really sure what I want to do with it. I might want to get something maybe better. I mean, I'm trying not to spend the money on anything, but it's just either that or some kind of safety precaution kind of thing, because I would rather keep the house, you know, I mean, not burn down the house, but yeah. But in the other note, just doing water change, trying to watching the race, but rain delay, so we can't really do it. Another way, of course, you can tell. Yeah, so it's I'm having family over later, but that would be fun. I want to show you guys something. Hi, there's my wife. She's having a Truex on right now.
Yeah, Martin.
Yeah, the race is not running right now. Rain delay.
Oh.
So.
Bummer.
Yep.
So Patrick's trying to pass time by filming a video.
Something like that. But this is what I did last night. I remember when I had I don't know if I ever showed it to you. Anyway, I had two tanks here, they're both for 5 gallon. I decided to take one away and move that all the way over here. Sorry, my mom knew, you know what I mean. Like, ooh, I'm so close. Let me move it out of the way. So, sorry guys. So I did move this over here for now. I kind of like this a little better, instead of having 2 over there. So I decided I would want to do it this way. But yeah, I mean that's kind of my new changes for now. This is my 40 freshwater, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. If you end up watching this, or if I don't put something on Facebook or anything like that, I'm gonna give these fish away. I mean, either the local pet store or whoever wants it for free, or whoever has a fish tank for free. I will give them all the fish for free, no charge at all. Recently, my 7, almost 8-year-old goldfish that traveled with us from DC all the way to here, passed away, and he was the only reason why I'm kind of having this tank. But now, since he passed, I don't know what to do with this tank anymore. So I'm just gonna break it down, tear it down. I might do something else with it, but it won't be freshwater anymore. But I just don't know at the moment. It just, Smooch was the only one that's really why I kept this tank. But overall, I don't think I'll keep this tank anymore. but I do have plans for it, but I'm not sure if because sooner or later that tank will go. That tank or maybe that tank go. I'm not sure yet. I haven't really planned anything out, but for sure this tank it's gonna be break down, and there might not be fishing there for a while. But yeah, rest in peace, Smooch. I'm like awesome 7 years. I deal with highs and low, and moved with us for 5 times because we moved from DC over here to a different house, and then from a different house moved back. So at least three to 4 times. But yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm just doing some more water change at the moment. Trying to clean up this house before all the guests comes. All my family's coming over for Father's Day and Cammie's, my sister, birthday. Her birthday was on Saturday, and then Father's Day was on Saturday. So we are doing both things at once. So yeah, we just celebrating my sister's birthday and my dad's Father's Day all in one, because it would just make it much easier. We all can hang out on a Sunday and just grill out, eat, and talk. So yeah, it will be fun. Hope weather's gonna be nice. So far it looks sunny, but it said it was gonna rain later on, but I don't know. They said late, but we don't know how late, It's the weather, and we just never figure out anything anyway. But yeah, I'll finish my water change, and then I'll talk to you guys later. The race has been postponed for tomorrow at noon. Yeah, so have been postponed for tomorrow at noon. Great. I might not be able to watch it, so I have to. All I can do is record it, because I work tomorrow, and this sucks. Not gonna be able to hear the radio from Martin or anything like that. So it's a very sad day. I know it's not a big deal, but it sucks. I was hoping to watch a race today, and of course, it's always happened during the NASCAR Cup. During the Xfinity, the weather is always good. Like, the weather is never rainy, thunderstorm, or anything. But once it comes to NASCAR Cup on Sunday, it's always raining. Why? Why? I don't get it. Bad luck? Probably. So, yeah, sad. Anyway, that means I don't have to try to convince my family that I can come out right away, because the races were still going on from the delay, from the rain. So yeah. So now I just have to get ready, get things organized, get the food together, soon get things cooking soon. It's 4:15, so we won't have the dinner thing until like 6 o'clock. That's when everybody's coming. So we're just gonna get everything ready, house cleaned up. All my fish stuff is about cleaned up. So yeah, it's all cleaned up almost. See, no more buckets. And all I need is to get those things, and those things over there in the chair. So yeah, everything is cleaned up. Everything's done. All the tanks are clean. Clean tank. Clean tank. Watching something on YouTube. More clean tank. Yeah, that's better.
Hello. What are you doing? He's in the hizzle.
Ow.
And his name is McGizzle.
There's Rebecca.
Hello.
She's packing.
Hello.
Where you going?
Texas.
Oh my gosh.
See my grandma.
Yep.
Who's 93.
Ooh.
Yep.
She knows she's gonna be very careful.
Yeah. I got my masks right here.
Good.
I was gonna wash them even before I go, so
Yeah. Well,
that they're ready to rock and roll.
yep. Just make sure you got everything you need.
Yep, look. I'm all packed almost.
Whoa.
I know.
I wonder where you get that shirt from.
I have no idea.
Where's that shirt came from?
I was like, what's one of the most ridiculous t-shirts I own? Because I want to bring that one. So, there we are.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, It's gonna be a fun trip.
Yep.
You'll like it.
It'll be fast, but
Yep.
good.
Well, fast is better. Nowadays, you don't want to be out too long.
That's true. Yeah. True that, yo.
Hey, James.
What are you doing, Daddy?
James. Hey, James.
What are you doing, Daddy? Who's James?
So yeah. Anyway, we're cooking the corn. We're boiling it. Yeah, there you go. Like I said, we're having that Father's Day / Kimmy's birthday together. And there's a cake that Becky made. Candles. All the stuff that we have. Buns and more buns. Hot dogs. Burger. Bean burger. We got chips. Lay's. My dad likes Lay's, so that's the reason why I get Lay's. My Asian noodle. Hot. Apparently Molly said it's really hot, apparently. So, I mean, to me it's not that hot, but, whatever. Yes, my dog thinks going crazy at the moment. There's Kenyon. He got some burgers going.
Yeah.
Ooh. It was a big, fat, juicy one.
We're famous. You want to put a brat up with it?
But it doesn't take too long. Take
It's
maybe
gonna take a while.
5-10 minutes. I mean, 5 minutes.
It's gonna take longer than 5 minutes.
Yeah, it would be fine.
I don't know what kind of hamburger you're eating, but my hamburger.
I'm not eating hamburger. I'm eating brats. I'm not a big fan of hamburger, so
Take all the buns out.
the buns is still inside. It's really windy out here today. Got all the chairs going. Miggy, come on. Come on. Come in. Come on. You little butt. He doesn't want to come in. Ooh, so windy. Come on. McGee, come on. Come on. Alright. Come on, McGee. You little butt. He doesn't want to come in. Look at him. He just... Come on. McGee, come on. He doesn't want to go inside. He just want to be out here. Come on. Oh, fine. Come on. Hey, baby. What do you want? What is that, huh? Huh? Oh, baby. Come on. Okay. Come on. He does not want to go inside at all. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Look at that. Look at you. Look. Oh, Tommy. Hi, baby boy. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Little butt nugget.
He does not want to come in.
He's been waiting to come outside all day.
Oh, yeah. Whew.
I know, baby.
Thing is, damn. That thing is smoking. I gotta get the brats. You have the brats and the hot dogs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here. McGee?
Oh, he just wanna be outside. That's all he does. He just wanna be outside. Where are you at? Is it how much?
Smack your little face.
Let's see. Here. As is these two.
Yeah. That's good timing for me
Oh,
to
there's
just in.
Kimmy. Yep.
Very good timing to get him inside.
Have Kimmy pull forward.
Why?
Looks like they just came. Misty just won. Hi, girl. Hi. You missed us? Did you miss us? And there's Cammy and Yvonne. Happy birthday, Cammy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, hello.
And there's Daniel. Yeah, I can watch the burgers. What do you need?
Daniel.
I need to put some more stuff in there.
You know, you said onion head.
Oh. Are you drinking like? Dude, that's enough water for you. Hey, you.
The big tomato there. Down, way down.
Is that one there?
Oh, it's over there.
Yeah, so I think that one's kind of dead though.
Wow.
I don't know. That tomato's not doing very well.
Oh, it'll be alright.
Yeah.
It'll do fine.
Good for you guys. The cucumber's growing really well.
Yeah.
Flowers.
It was kind of dying a little bit, but now it's growing now. Yeah. All right, guys. This is all the food we got. We got brats, hot dogs. My mom, whatever this salad is.
Okay, now this looks really bad.
It looks horrible.
Yeah, it looks really horrible, but it's not that bad.
I
It's
mean,
black beans and yam and peaches.
see, black beans.
That sounds good.
Sounds good.
There's that. Joe. There's a birthday girl.
Plates are over here.
Pick what you want.
Yeah. It's hard to speak.
The pressure.
Sweet corn.
Nobody wants to buy that. It took that guy over a year to sell his place.
Now they have to be lit for a minute before they
The water's included.
become trick candles.
And so is
I actually got these for Kelsey, and she was like, "Got me trick candles," and I was like, "No, I didn't."
blowing of the air.
It's windy.
That's called electricity.
Yeah, that's why I came in here to light them.
I pay for the blowing in the air. That's just called the gas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Cammy. Happy birthday to you.
Is there any fire?
There's
Yeah.
a couple of them.
Yay! McGee! Oh, now McGee loves me because I have paid.
Yeah, that's right.
And happy Father's Day.
Sorry, Dad.
Did
Your,
I have to
your
share
Father's
my
is
cake
gone.
with my dad?
Happy
Oh,
Father's
there
Day,
I
Dad.
didn't get 'em all. Oh, you have
you,
trick
favorite
candles.
Thank you, my favorite son.
You're welcome. I know. I am
got
your favorite
trick
son.
Candles.
Sorry, I'm blowing out your candles.
Is it still gone?
Do they ever go out?
No.
No.
Like electric candles.
Well, then how do I take it out? Where do I put this?
I don't know.
I know, it probably worked out okay because the wind didn't take them then.
One thing about these chairs, they're hard to get out. You took my chair, hon.
Yeah.
Is that a better chair?
The couples together.
Yeah,
So the couples stay together.
Cammy, I spilled water on one corner of your cake, so it might be a little soggy in that one corner.
I don't want to eat that.
So we're not going to eat
Father's
from that
Day.
corner.
Don't give me that corner.
It's got this little mark on it, the corner where I spilled.
Oh,
This is the wet corner.
that's the way. But let me cut it anyway.
Okay.
And then you want more beer? Yeah, okay.
And just- how much? What is she doing?
4 pieces for...
What are you? Mom?
I decided to do
I don't
it
know
that
what
way
she's
so that it was
doing.
easy for you to take home with you then.
I'm,
Because it's in a
I'm
disposable.
methodical. I'm cutting this way.
So if we, whatever's left over, you take it home.
Okay, I will.
You got it?
Sure.
Capiche?
Or I'll just eat it now. There's 9
No,
people.
he isn't.
Just don't drive one.
Oh man.
20 in August.
Yeah, oh, that's a good decent sized piece.
Ivan's
Isn't
gonna
it?
be 20. Yes. Can you believe that?
Somebody ate.
I did.
Sorry, Mom. I can't do beans.
I know.
Want to see my lemongrass here?
That's, oh, nice. Nice. I'd like to know. I
Well, guys, the night has been over. It's about 9 o'clock right now. That was fun. Just having a family over, celebrate Cammy's birthday, and happy birthday to Cammy. And happy Father's Day to my dad. It was all in one. But yeah, it was fun to talk to each other and just enjoying the nice weather that we had. But yeah, I'm gonna end my night here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a good night.